What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good afternoon and welcome to this new video on Singularitynet and more specifically the Agix token. I wanted to talk about it fundamentally, kind of what's been going on with Agix. It has been fairly bearish, even though other cryptos and the whole AI and big data narrative have been quite bullish. So we wanted to talk about that, why that's the case, at least in my opinion, and just in general, well, voice crack. Just in general, do a full analysis on that. Was requested. I know that quite a lot of you are interested in Agix, and frankly, I am too. So let's get right into it. Wanted to check Bitcoin real quick because it's moving very erratically. Might see some nice bullish moves today. Would be nice. But yeah, Agix. So as you can see, we've still been fairly bullish. Today we also had a big spike. If you take a look at where the volume is coming from, mostly credible sources, so nothing to worry about either. But we have been technically relatively bearish, even though the narrative is still going on around AI, specifically for Singularitynet then. Singularitynet is really based around AI and AI services. Great project, by the way, but the thing is that with this move right here, this move starting the 6th of January, from 4.7 cents up to 25 cents. What we did there is I think we became a little bit inflated. I think the price right here with this 440% move, I think the price got a little bit inflated. And relative to the other AI and big data cryptos, the price became too much. So what you then usually get is some sort of a correction. This was also a manipulated move. I feel like, at least back in the days, the volume was really coming from uncredible sources, not incredible, uncredible. And just in general, I think we've been correcting, because you should not forget that from this bottom we made, all the way back after FTX, we've gone up by, at this point of time, still gone up by 370%. So nothing to worry about. And I also think, even though that might be risky, that we'll see a bullish breakout soon. But let's get right into that. Yeah, let's get right into the technicals. What time is it? Yeah. So what you can see right now is that we have been in some sort of a small downtrend. Ever since this top right here at around 23 cents, we've dropped down to 20 cents, immediately a bearish confirmation, broke down below that, break retest. 19 cents, which I would argue is actually the strongest level you can see on the chart now. Also fell not too long ago, beginning of this week. And ever since, we've just been trending down a little bit towards this level right here around 16 cents, which is really the most important level right now. Not the strongest, but the most important one. Because if 16 cents breaks and we'll drop down to 15 cents, I think we're going to fall quite a bit. I think we're going to fall all the way down to 13 and 13.5 cents. So this is not what I expect, but I think you should know it, all right? If 16 cents breaks, we're dropping down to 13.5 and 13 cents. And then from there, maybe we can start another uptrend, but then we have fallen quite significantly. Now, I think it's more likely. I think that 16 cents is strong enough, and that with the AI narrative picking up speed again, you should just take a look at some other AI cryptos. Right now, FET is relatively bullish, for example, but also Ocean Protocol is relatively bullish. So I think with the narrative, we can actually be able to break above 18 cents again, which is our main resistance now. I think we'll struggle a little bit more with 19 cents. As I said, I think that's a really strong level. So something like this. But at some point, I do think that we'll be able to, at least if the market stays bullish, which is also not definite, but as long as Bitcoin stays above, let's say 22,000, this is what I think is going to happen. If Bitcoin drops down below 22,000, something in the market has happened, which I have to include in all of my analysis. So if that happens, please forget about this, because we'll probably fall down to 13. But I assume that the market is going to be bullish, and therefore I assume that there's going to be enough bullish momentum to actually push Agix above 19 cents. And if we are above 19 cents, we'll get up to, we won't react to 20 cents too much. We'll get up to 21.5 and 22 cents. That's my price target. And from there, we'll see again. I'm not sure if we can get back to the levels around 25 cents. That's obviously what we would want, but I'm not sure about that, because as I said, those were very inflated times. And even getting up to 22 cents and me saying that is a little bit risky, I would consider it. So yeah, that's my take on Agix for now, an update. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.